They're sleeping in the same bed.
This couch is heavy. I'll go ask a neighbor for help.
Right. Hey, it's okay. Calm down. Hey, look.
Rylynn.
Look.
Rylynn. Right.
Rylynn. Rai.
Our new puppy.
Rylynn. Rylynn. Look.
Look at the puppy.
Look.
Look over there.
Look
Look
here.
at Mama.
She's just so cute as a puppy.
No, look at Mama. Right in front of you. Right there, Rylynn, in front of you.
Right.
Are you awake yet, girl?
Look.
I'm tired.
No. Look what's right in front of you. There's a puppy dog on your chest. Look, your new puppy.
Your new puppy. Your new puppy.
Look, wake up. Look at the dog.
Look at the dog. Stop.
Look. Look. Rylynn. Look, Kiki. Oh my god. Hi, there's a puppy. We got a puppy.
I'm gonna see it.
Turn around, look. She's on you. You got a puppy. Look, there's a puppy.
What?
You see the puppy?
Rylynn's still like half asleep, so we're trying to wake her up. Her head is still like not there.
Look at the...
Oh, there she goes.
There's Rylynn.
There's Rylynn.
Oh my god. What is that, Ryan? What is that? Is that the puppy? Let her go, Kiki. I know you love her.
She's so adorable.
Isn't she?
Oh, great.
Look at her
That's
cute
awesome.
little face. Oh my goodness. Isn't
Is
she
it a girl
adorable?
or a boy?
A girl. Her name's Zelda.
Just like Kiki wanted.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be Shar.
Look. Is that your Rylynn? Yes.
Who likes me?
She.
Papa, get off of our right now. We're watching something.
No, you weren't. You were sleeping.